سيارة 365 جي تي سي 4 الكلاسيكية رح بيتم حفل إطلاق سيارة لأول مرة بالشرق الأوسط الفراري جي تي سي 4 لوسو، وتحديدا رح بتكون بشوروم التاير موتورز بدبي. رح نتعرف على هالسيارة من خلال فيديو رح نشوفه قدامنا على سكرين، ومن بعدها رح نعمل مقابلة حصرية. خليكن معنا.
I would like to thank you and welcome you here for the first appearance to the GTC4 Lusso in the region and in the UAE.
So my name is Enrico Galliera. I'm the Senior Vice President for Commercial and Marketing. So basically I'm in charge of the Ferrari business all over the world. And as part of this responsibility, I have something that is more a pleasure rather than a responsibility, which is to present in the market our new baby. Exactly what we are doing today here in the UAE, where we are officially introducing the new GTC4 Lusso, which is the recently introduced and presented car, which is replacing an existing car, which is the FF, which have been the first car in the segment to introduce what we call the shooting brake concept, which basically is giving a particular shape of the car that is allowing to have, together with a sporty image, also a kind of comfort on board, because it's giving more space. So 4 seats, a boot space that is allowing to have a more versatile car. Now, The GTC4 Lusso is leveraging on this experience, is keeping this shooting brake concept, which means that it's keeping this space on board, but is introducing a completely new set of elements that make it a completely different car. That is looking at the past, because some of the elements that are taken in the design of the car takes inspiration from some cars of the past, which are even in the name, the 330 GTC, the 250 Lusso, so GTC Lusso, which are now in this name, but also featuring a lot of new technological elements. Now, I could talk for hours about what's new in this car, but we believe that there are three key elements that maybe can be mentioned. Number one is connected to the performance. And here we talk about the engine. It's a 12-cylinder normally aspirated engine, which is delivering 670 horsepower, which is impressive. But the most important thing is that this engine has been developed in order to have all the elements typical of the 12-cylinder, but some features that are specifically designed for this car, which is a Gran Turismo car, which means that the soundtrack is designed for the different use, the power and the acceleration is connected to the different use of this car, so everything is designed in order to be performing on this specific segment. So performance is one of the key elements. The second one is what we call versatility. This is the first car ever in the segment, so it's a world premiere, that is featuring together the 4 steering wheel with the 4-wheel drive. They are connected. There is a system that make talk in each other, these two elements, which basically means that the car reaches the highest level of performance and or safety according to the different condition in which you're driving. If you're driving on a wet condition, on the sand, on the wet road, then the system is designed in order to maximize the safety, so maximum grip. If you're driving on a dry condition, then it's maximizing the performance. So everything is connected to improving the performance according to the specific situation you are in. So sportivity and performance, versatility. The third element is what we call sport luxury, because everything in terms of design, both exterior and interior, is completely new. If you look at the exterior design of this car compared to the previous one, there has been a strong work to make it even more sporty. The position of the car, the height of the car, the front and back design of the car is designed in order to give this sporty feeling, even more Ferrari. At the same time, the interior has been completely redesigned in order to deliver this luxury experience. The material, the quality of the materials, the quality of the finishing, but also the overall cockpit, which is now featuring a much bigger screen, a 10.25-inch screen, touch screen, with a dual cockpit, which means that there is going to be a screen for the driver and a screen for the co-driver to share the experience. So everything has been done in order to improve this experience. So again, to summarize the presentation of the car, it's a true Ferrari because the performance is a typical performance of Ferrari. It gives something specific for the segment, which is the versatility. You can drive it in every different condition, and there is something that is for the people that wants to have also comfort and luxury, and so every single detail has been designed to achieve that.